Today we're doing a map, but it's tae day today. But the rain karon guys kay igit. Yeah. Today after today I have a map like this. My pet Globby. Yes. And today, tae day today, guys. Do you want boiled one or the locust? Today. Okay, let's show the map in 3, 2, 1, go. China, Canada, USA, Russia, Australia, Pilipinas, India, Sri Lanka, UK, Brazil, Spain, Madrid, Madagascar, Portugal, Ronaldo, Messi in Argentina, Finland, Sweden, Putin. Oh, sorry guys. Norway, Antarctica, Australia, New Zealand, Madagascar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Iraq, Iran, Iraq. Where's Iraq? Uruguay, Western Sahara Desert, Morocco, Western Sahara. Miss Arctic is not a continent. She is also tae. Japan, South Korea, North Korea, bad attack South Korea. New Guinea, Malaysia, Oceania, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, South Africa, You see that? Do you hear that? That's boiled one. Today. Whoa! It's siren because there's a earthquake. It's just a light. Look. You see the light? That's our light and our TV. Today I can see my map. Today there's Italy, Iceland, Philippines, Alaska, Russia, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Arctic nawala. Ay tae man siya. Hawaii. Tura si Hawaii. Brazil. Ay, there's a bug. That's my name. China. Yunay! Nikita. French. Germana. Like my video, guys.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes!
And goodbye.
No. And